Hello. Hi, pretty bird. What's your name?
I'm sorry. That's very inconsiderate of me.
So that's our African Grey.
Come here.
Oh, you come here.
You're right.
There's our blue and gold, Coco. Hi, Coco. Wait, where are you going? Hi, Coco. Pretty bird. And here's her twin.
Well,
Oh, hi, Tommy.
guess it's just you and me.
Ooh, pretty bird, huh? Yes, you are. Tommy's right here.
When do we get him?
A couple weeks, a week ago. Hi. Let's go say hi to our cockatoo baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. What are you doing? Here's our green Wing Macaw. Hi, Rube. Hi, Rube. Ruby. Hi, Rube. Oh, what was that? Hi, Rube. Hi, Rube. Over here, this is our Hyacinth Macaw, Dewey. Hi, Dewey Doo. What are you doing? Hi, pretty guy. What's up? Ooh, your feathers are all ruffled. Ooh, he's got a long tail. Over here is our Citron Cockatoo, Mr. Bonkers. Hi, Mr. Bonkers. He's still pretty new to us, so he's a little scaredy cat right now. Yeah. And I got a couple noisy birds that are under blankets right now. Hi, Jada. Jada's our Hans Macaw. Yeah, she's being quiet because she's under the blanket. We got another noisy one over here. Our little green cheek. Yep, Conure. Hi, Kiwi. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Those are birds right now. You want to say something?